Namaste, good morning. Myself Jeshwant. Myself Vasant.
Myself Adarsh.
We are students of Court and William Forrester. Our activity name is Area and Perimeter. Now my friend will explain few lines about Hippocrates of choice and William Forrester.
Here are some pictures of Hippocrates and William Forrester. Hippocrates was born on 470 BC of the island of choice of the vast coast of Turkey. He was an English mathematician and astronomer. He was died on 530 BC. He was invented area. William Forrester was an English mathematician. He was born on 1627 BC. He was an English mathematician and astronomer. He was died on 1673 BC. He was invented perimeter. Now my friend will explain about area and perimeter.
Thank you Vasant for giving this opportunity to me. Do you know area, ma'am? No problem. Now I will explain about area. Amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Do you know perimeter, ma'am? No problem. Now I will explain about perimeter. Amount of distance around by a closed figure is called its perimeter. Now my friend will explain about model.
Thank you, Jeshwant, giving for this opportunity. This is a model of area and perimeter. Square. Area of square is A into 2. Perimeter of square is B into 4. This is a circle. Area of circle pi r 2. Perimeter of circle 2 pi r. This is a right triangle. Area of right triangle 1 by 2 length into height. Perimeter of right triangle P plus H plus D. Thank you.
Why max is important to our, you know, ma'am? No problem. Now I will explain. Why is max important to our life? Time. If time is not there, how it is morning, how it is evening, how it is night, we don't know. That's why time is also important in max. Numbers. If numbers are not there, how many money is this? How many cost of this? We don't know. That's why numbers are also important. Numbers are also important. Measurements. If measurements are not there, how this cloth is measurement, how our height is measurement, don't know. That's why if max is not there, our life is also not there. I hope you all enjoy this activity and move forward. Enjoy this max. Thank you.